Friends, fellow engineers, audience, and clients. Today's topic is about UnityPro integration into the CitectSCADA. UnityPro is the PLC software language that we use to program Schneider PLCs. And CitectSCADA is the SCADA platform, and it's a server-based SCADA platform that we will install on a computer or an industrial computer to run the software to interrogate the I/O points from the PLC or RTU or any other intelligent devices in the field. The communication between these two packages is usually through a Modbus, sometimes DeviceNet, sometimes Ethernet IP, DNP3. It really depends on the client's requirements. And then as a control system design engineers, we would recommend some communication protocol based on the client's requirements. So let's have a look in details in a real-life example of how we use UnityPro to integrate into the CitectSCADA.
To program the PLC, we're using UnityPro. In this case, we're using a ladder logic, but we can also use structured text or function block diagrams. Currently, we are in simulation mode. This basically just means that we can simulate the PLC under normal operating conditions, and we can use an animation table as seen on the left to check whether everything is working correctly and that all the values are as they should be. Once we have built and uploaded the program to the PLC, we are able to view the system through CitectSCADA. As you can see here, this is the batch process in CitectSCADA. So this system basically just heats up water. On the left we have the water temperature and the steam supply valve opening indicators. On the right hand side we have the batch process control panel, which highlights all our system states and system alarms. It also highlights our two control modes, automatic mode and manual mode. If we click start on the automatic control, we can monitor the system in real time. The system works by pumping the cold water from the bottom reservoir into the top reservoir to be heated using steam, which is supplied using the steam supply valve. Once the water reaches a certain threshold within the reservoir, the agitator will turn on, which will mix the water together, allowing it to equalize in temperature. Once the temperature reaches a threshold of approximately 90 degrees, the drain valve will open, allowing the water to flow back down into the first reservoir. This is a closed loop system, so the water can be reheated at any time.
If you have any questions regarding industrial control systems, CitectSCADA, UnityPro, M580 PLCs, or any other vendors, technology platforms and controllers, feel free to drop us an email, give us a call, or send me a text message. I'll be happy to answer your questions in our next video clips. Until then, stay safe and good luck to your projects.